Tesla police fleet saves nearly $500,000 in upkeep and repairs. As it turns out, operating a fleet of Tesla police cars is very cost-effective. This is, at least, according to the Bargersville Police Department, which has seen significant savings from its fleet of Tesla police vehicles. The Bargersville Police Department's recent comments about its savings were outlined in an Indy Star report. Big savings. The Bargersville Police Department started with one Tesla in 2019, but it has since added another dozen more. In a comment to the publication, Police Chief Todd Bertram stated that the department has been very happy about the cost-effective nature of the all-electric police cars. I couldn't even begin to say how much money the department has saved. Since 2020, I'd say we've been saving about $70,000 to $80,000 a year from having our vehicles, and the more cars we get, the more savings too, the police chief stated. Thus, as per Indy Star, the department has saved almost $500,000 in car upkeep and repair costs over the past 5 years. Indy Star reporter Vic RYC went on a ride-along in Bargersville's 2019 Tesla Model 3 police squad car, taxpayer money. To explain his point further, Bertram stated that in June 2024, he received a monthly gas bill of over $3,100 for the department's 4 Ford vehicles. The Bargersville PD's Tesla fleet, which was comprised of 13 cars, incurred a combined charging cost of $300 for the month. As per the police chief, that's a lot of savings for taxpayers. That's a lot of taxpayer money. The original Tesla we first got in 2019 we sold for $21,000. We tend to do that when it hits closer to 100,000 miles, or if it gets closer to the warranty. That's based on the decisions made by the city council, he said. Bertram also noted that since they were deployed, the department has never had to replace any brakes on its Tesla fleet, and when a Tesla police car did need repair, it was accomplished under warranty, and in a timely manner too. That Tesla's turnaround time was only 3 days, and it was covered under warranty, which means we didn't have to pay. Compare that to a gas vehicle that had to stay in the shop for a week, Bertram stated. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.